Come on, Tortuga. I'm gonna be making jokes about it the whole time.
I expect nothing less.
Look at this.
He was cute.
Hey! Look at this big ass tree. This is Sayulita. I think we're like literally just a couple of minutes away from the hostel we're staying at. I really hope what's her name still there, but I don't know if she's still there. I can remember your name, but I can't remember Margot. God. Oh, right here. Yeah.
No, it's fine in the end.
Bumble waffle. Ooh.
Where do you want to go?
I see they have coffee. I really want coffee.
Yeah.
Maybe. Iced coffee is secure in this Look at the breakfast. Hey, Marco. I definitely need to buy a new pair of sunglasses because my other ones are falling apart. Yeah, we're just walking around Sayulita for now, just like looking at stuff. And then we're gonna go back to the hostel to change into our bathing suits. And then we're gonna head to the beach and just chill out at the beach for a while. So that'll be fun. I went and found this really cute towel. I'm about to change so that we can go to the beach, so I'm going to put on my bathing suit. I wanted to do surfing lessons today, but I think maybe it's going to be too expensive, plus the waves are kind of big, and you get the water from the ocean in your mouth right now because something about like the sewage system has like leaked into the ocean or something, so it could make you really sick. There was a guy downstairs that we had talked to, and he said that that he had got sick or something, but he didn't know why.
Maybe because it's just a little dark. I also think I ended up with like some random meat, which is also fine. Like
That's pesto.
Yeah, but that is not. And I
Yeah.
asked for two, and then this is the chorizo.
And that's asada.
Yeah, but that's fine. I don't mind. It's just like random.
She got random tacos. Aside though.
But you know, it makes it always nice.
Right? You got a little bit of everything.
Yeah, I'm not complaining.